Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert picture overlay to a video on Capcut. So first, just add the video to Capcut and then just go to overlay, add overlay, and then select the photos or picture that you want as overlay. For example, here I'm going to add this picture as the overlay, this one. Click on add. Now this is the picture. You can adjust the length to your liking. You can fit it into the clip like this, and you can also adjust the position or maybe crop it to your liking. You can also go to splice or blend and choose the blend mode that you like. For example, here I'm going to use the overlay here, adjust the size for example, and now the pictures and the video will be overlapping like this. Okay, or you can also add animations to your photos. For example, here I'm going to go to animation, and here I'm going to use let's try the fade in. So the picture will go like that, or maybe zoom in like this. Or if you want to turn it into a shape, you can go to masking, go to mask, and here select the shape. I'm going to go with the heart, adjust the position where you want to show, click on a check icon, and this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on a thanks. Bye.